Okay. I figure I better get some footage because I'm really bad at this. I always start stuff and I don't ever film nothing till the end. There's Betty, untouched. I want to get a tape measure out. Maybe when I get some help, we'll tape and get the heights all right now. But, you know, it's bullshitting on Facebook and people start, oh, hey, you know what? I'll be over there, give you a hand. A couple minutes, I'll be there. I'm like, oh, shoot, I'm sitting here in the rain, contemplating, debating. Maybe I'll pass on to another time and do it, you know? And nope, it's on. So I got the compressor started, roll out hose, get the air tools out. I don't want to empty the tools out of the Jeep yet. I want to throw a tape on it with all the tools in it. And then I'll empty it. Then I want to throw a tape on it again so I can show all the differences of height, I guess, from what we're doing. Alright, well, compressor's running, getting warmed up. We'll be jacking her up. Looking for my jacks, and my neighbor mentioned yesterday, oh, both jacks are across the street. So I go looking for my jack, and I'm like, where the hell's my jack? And then I remembered, and I'm all, both jacks. So now I know. He's got mine over there at his. So now they're over across the street. I can tell him. So we're on it. Like I said, when somebody comes to help me or I tripod it, we'll get better footage of the elevations. Because I think she's kind of sitting, if you look at her, that's what's hard with the rain. I can't be outside. She's sitting with a little bit of a sag. So that's why I went with the 4-door rear spring. Should give me an inch of lift. Then with this is a constant weight that she's bearing, so hopefully I level her out. That's the plan. Okay, I'll try to get this put together, and sorry for mine are always shoestring videos with very little prep, because that's the way I am, I guess. If I don't do it very little prep, I don't do any video at all. It's better to have some video than no video, right? So she's gonna be rolling on the stock wheels and tires. I ordered the wheels. I can't afford the tires now because the wheels were yikes. So it'll be, the wheels are a couple weeks out anyway, so that give me a, I was gonna say we're gonna go with that line, we'll say 41 inches, but 41. It's about
39 and a half.
Yep, to the bottom of the fender. 41 to the line. Alright, want to do the back one then, we'll check her out. I want to see if it has the JL lean or JK lean too. Then you can see we got significant sag.
About 36 and a half.
That's what it looks like, yeah. Yeah, and to the line about 38 and a quarter, so an inch and 3/4 of deflection right now. Sagging in the rear. So we'll see if my shocks play out in my favor. It's supposed to be an extra inch higher than the front, and that should take it out.
Gonna
break it with no weight.
Oh yeah, I can kind of see the little.
Yeah, it's got a sag right now.
Yeah.
My buddy just drove by. Oh, he parked over there. All right, that's the start. Oh, want to check this side, see if it's any different?
Okay, yeah. Is it a JK lean?
These ones have the same thing, I think.
Where's the gas tank at?
This side. Same, just like the JK. Same. Not too. Oh yeah, it does. Oh yeah, 41. A little bit lower than 41 though.
Yeah. All right, stop.
Hold on, we're filming.
Donut time.
Yeah, we're. Oh shoot! I say we're filming.
I'm so sorry. Yep, the same.
Yeah, but like a 1/4 inch lower on this side.
This one's a little bit lower.
Like a 1/4 inch because it's to the line's 38.
Yep.
And it was 38 and a quarter over there.
Yep.
And 36, you had like 36 and a half over there, right?
Yeah, so this
and
is
here,
a little bit lower.
Yeah, it is lower on this side.
Okay, so it has a JK lean.
Yep. Yeah, Jennifer noticed it following me home this weekend. She goes, oh, well, I put the tools on this side because I'm on that side to try to level it out. Oh, thank you. Good morning. How are you, sir?
I'm well. It's not a regular navel orange.
Oh, what is it?
It's something called a kata kata.
Okay.
Or kara kara.
We'll try it.
It's red inside.
Introduce yourself.
And it's
Say hi, YouTube.
hi YouTube. Eat an org.
These are the people who come over to help me.
What's up, guys?
You're on YouTube.
I'm on YouTube now.
What's your channel now?
Green Clover JKU.
Yeah?
Yeah, a little bit of videos, just trail goons and stuff.
Oh, we have to check it out. Let me get. You guys are getting in horrible light.
Right there. Oh, never look that way.
There we go. That's better.
Hey guys, you see that? What's all over your shirt? Never
Oh
look
my
that
goodness.
way.
See, old guy dad jokes right there.
Oh, yeah, well, that's the original. You gotta respect the old guys that joke.
Alright.
You got something right
I'm
there.
not looking at that one now.
Yeah. Only once, huh? Alright, enough shenanigans. We're gonna get you.
You got it. Fool me once.
Good.
Ricardo, you said your site, the whole name of your YouTube?
Green Clover JKU. Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
Record that.
There we go.
Yeah.
Lots of light bars. Oh, I almost went icon. How do you like the icon?
What was it?
I almost bought the icon system.
Yeah. I'm running Nikons with the CDC valves, 2.5 series.
How do you like it?
What's the engine size? 3.8. Love them. I mean, you know, adjust them. You know, when it's, you know, a lot of ruts.
Do you have enough lights?
Yeah. I just got 2 light bars and that's it. And rock lights, that's it. White rock lights. No more RGB stuff.
No?
No, I gotta go with those real.
I'm stealing it right now.
Because in use, or they didn't light up nothing?
No, for the use. I was up at Claiborne in the night. I'm like, God, I can't see nothing. So I turned on the rock lights, and I'm like, no, yeah, just the flashlight, just the flashlight.
They were just cute, huh?
Yeah, they were cute. But they were good for the parade show.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Other than that, I mean,
They didn't light up the rocks?
no. So I got white rock lights now. I mean,
Hey John, check out your shoes.
Oh yeah, you can see them.
front and rear.
Yeah, you can see them. Nice. That's what I got to get something in the wells. So we don't wheel in the nighttime too often. We're too old. We go to bed. I keep giving him lip because he hasn't put his lockers on yet.
Okay, I'm getting lockers before the Rubicon. That's for sure.
Yeah, you need them on the Rubicon.
Yeah, we're going in July. Or June, sorry. We're going
Ah, with the club, everybody, or
Yes. Yeah.
how many days are you gonna take
We're gonna be there for 4 days on the show, 3 or 4 days.
on trail?
Yeah.
Because we did it the last time. We stayed 2 nights at Buck Island and 2 nights at Rubicon Springs.
We'll probably,
And I'll tell you what, that is super nice.
okay, so we'll probably end up doing that.
Because the trail, you get all dusty and dirty, and it's especially between Buck Island and Rubicon Springs, it's you go through a big sluice.
Oh yeah, big food, yeah.
So by the time you get to Rubicon Springs, you're ready to jump in the water, have barbecue, you know, and take a break. And you get there late usually, so you want a whole day to relax, fish. It's nice. What's that? Oh yeah.
Where's your tape measure?
Oh, it's right there in the floor, I think. Do you have the tape measure still or no?
Oh yeah, it's on there.
All right, well, we better have our donut and our... What do you want to measure with the tape measure? The height of those?
Yeah.
Just because you're curious?
I got higher.
They're bigger than the ones on your truck.
Because my 38s were like 36 and a half.
Uh-huh.
Like 34 and a quarter or something.
They're 35s?
35s, but I only have 28 PSI in them right now.
Yeah. So I'm debating on going 37s.
33 and a half, and they're called 36 and my Ford, I don't have big tires on it anymore, but, you know, I put 38s on it.
You guys bored of these guys yet? I am.
They're always
They're just talking about he's going about tires and Fords and his Ford and this and that. Neither of us run dirt tires on our trucks anymore. We both got street tires, so. All right, I'll turn you off. When we get something interesting, we'll, like, you know, actually installing lift instead of just talking about it. We'll get on here. Hopefully the rain lets off a little bit too. About a ½ inch, huh?
Yeah, because the bottom line, it's about 40. Now with the
Oh yeah?
Fender line's about 41 and a half.
I bet you the back did a lot more. This is all the tools out, camp gear out.
Yeah, 38, and we're about
Yeah,
30,
it's not didn't
39
do that much as I thought. Because we were at what, 38 and a quarter before 30?
at the top, yeah. So you went up about an inch.
Oh, I went an inch.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because we were 38 up there.
Yeah.
Let's see what it did on the gas tank there.
You came up an inch?
In the back, yeah.
After taking everything out?
That's good sign, because that's what I'm hoping is an inch of deflection is what I wanted. That way I know that, oh yeah.
38 at the line, yeah. 39 and 3/4 on the top.
Yeah, it came up quite a bit. Yeah, she doesn't have that sag now.
No.
But we're still lower on this side.
41.
Yeah.
Yep. Matches the front. The back is still. You're on a full tank right now.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. So you're late.
Low.
You're leaning, yeah.
Yep. All right. Well, that's the scoop. That's the measurements. Now let's start fucking with the lift.
So the fuel tank is
You want to film? I'll get it.
Yeah.
That way you don't have to do everything. I'm like, feel like I'm making you do everything.
That's fine. It's a learning experience for me as well on the JL. I got to do something, right?
Yeah. I said do one at a time. We're loosening it, but I said do one at a time. That's loose.
Alright.
yesterday, huh?
No, I told him to come over because he still calls me and I bullshit with him and
You don't want to take like an hour at a time.
well, Jeff, he was already bored, so he's bored and
Bored or drunk?
and yeah, that booze starts taking effect. Okay, what do we want to do now?
You want to drop
What's up, YouTube?
I'm back.
What's up, Johnny?
I haven't done any Jeep stuff in November, so. Yeah.
Yeah, I recently built Brian Ortega's build.
Oh.
UFC fighter.
Yeah.
I built his feet.
Yeah, let's look that up.
Dana 44, Terraflex control arms, Terraflex steering, 6-inch pin lift, yeah, front shot, did everything.
So, along with this, and then we had Noisy Jeff. But Noisy Jeff's truck won't start. So Noisy Jeff is getting, they're towing Jeff. And I don't have to worry because Jeff doesn't do nothing on the internet. He's too old. He doesn't watch YouTube. But they're towing his truck. And it got awfully a lot quieter over here too. He's a good buddy though. Alright, well we got both lowers on.
I like it. It was too low.
I guess can't really see this way.
And I gotta lean in the back, like on the passenger side. I need that fucking.
We got the lower and the upper on this side. And we got the lower on that side. While we're working on the upper. Well, we're talking about something Jeep related. Tony's got his ready for golf umbrella.
Yeah, I still have my sheet metal, so in the future.
So that's how it goes. No, you can come. I got a ton of food. Yourselves? Help Sabrina cook? She's making guacamole.
I tried, I asked
Okay. Well, hopefully I can get the upper on the other side, and then I think we got to call it a day.
That's the one mine is. Call it a true blue or something?
Yeah, I wanted that, but then I got a green one and I was like, the nice color, they only made it for like 2 or 3 years.
They only made one for like 1 year, 1 or 2 years. In 2013 they came with it. 2014 it was not.
So, how's you working, guys?
No, I'm just getting the conversation. Getting Jeep stuff.
So he wanted a blue Jeep, which I have, and I wanted the green Jeep that
He has. Oh, that's funny.
Yeah.
Hey, go clear green.
All right, well, everybody got shy all of a sudden, so I got to turn off the camera.
Little conversation ended. that. First shock and spring on.
There we go, one
Nice
side,
one.
passenger side. Nice, hell yeah.
Looking really good up here with the Falcon 3.3s.
Nice. All right, I'll turn this off so you can do yours.